In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AMP to TradingView. If you're ready to enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. Let's walk you through this process step by step to ensure you can connect AMP swiftly and smoothly. First, we'll begin by opening the TradingView website. If you're not familiar with TradingView, it's a robust platform that offers advanced charting features and connects to many brokerage accounts. It's widely used by traders and investors worldwide, making it an indispensable tool for understanding market trends and making informed decisions. Now that we have the TradingView site loaded up, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and make sure you have access to all the features TradingView offers. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause this video and set one up, as having a TradingView account is essential for connecting with AMP and other broker platforms. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the interface in front of you. We're going to focus on the trading panel, which serves as a gateway to connect with various brokers. Navigating here enables you to manage trades and gain insights directly within TradingView. Go ahead and click on the trading panel and you'll see a list of available broker options. Your task now is to locate AMP in this list of brokers. AMP is a great choice for many because it offers a range of services for futures and forex trading. Now, it's crucial to note that AMP is not available in all regions, so there might be a chance you won't see it in your list. If you can't find AMP, it's likely because it's unavailable in your location. In such a case, you may need to explore alternative brokers supported by TradingView that are accessible in your region. For those of you who can see AMP listed, simply click on it. This action will initiate the connection process. As soon as you click, you'll be prompted to enter your AMP login details. Make sure you have this information handy. Accuracy is key here to avoid any connectivity issues. Enter your username and password associated with your AMP account. After you've input your credentials, follow the prompts on your screen. TradingView and AMP have worked hard to ensure a user-friendly connection process, so these prompts are designed to guide you smoothly until you're fully connected. Take your time to read through any information provided. It could be anything from security confirmations to additional services AMP might offer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now learned how to connect AMP to TradingView effectively. Enjoy all the integrated features and enhanced functionality, and may this connection serve as a reliable tool in your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher.